They're trying to collect as much money as they can right now.
Yeah.
That's all they're doing.
Oh, absolutely. Everywhere across the board.
Yeah.
And what do you think the primary tactic, or what's your advice as far as like the primary tactic to get them to pay? Is it that court of claims? Is it just filing liens against them, or a combination of everything?
Well, in Bo's case, he's got an award. All he
Correct.
needs to do is take that award to the court of claims and ask them for help on enforcement, and they'll send the U.S. Marshals over to their house
Wow.
to enforce the claim. So, but once you have an award, Bo, I would file that award and file a lien on their property.
Yep. I filed a UCC1 lien on both State Farm and on the homeowners that tried to rob me.
Okay, yeah, but not on the property itself where you did the work.
I did, yeah. I did.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good.
A UCC1 on both of them. Yep. On their property, and then I sent it directly to the trustees, CEO or whoever. I think it was CEO or trustees of State Farm at 1 State Farm Road or whatever in Illinois. So, and they accepted it. I've got the green card right behind me. They didn't rescind anything, send anything back.
And they say they haven't got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got this. I here, just to show everybody, I got it sitting right here. This is the UCC1 that was filed that has, there we go.
Yeah, I think this is incredibly common. They just ignore every piece of procedure that you do.
So you see all that right there? I got the dates. I got the certified and registered mail, firm book filed, everything right there. Cannot deny that.
Right.
So, yeah. I mean, I'm doing everything I know to do. Like I'm doing my darndest, and
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah. And now you got summoned again for another court that they're trying to bring you into a lower court and get a kangaroo judgment against you.
Right. I won't let that happen. I mean, they don't know that yet, but these two other lawyers that are party to this, they're in for a world. How many different lawyers did I tell you found out all the things that I went through to reject and rescind everything, and they just didn't want to touch it?
Quite a few.
Right. Quite a few. And they didn't even, never once in this did they say, this is how I rescind, by the way. Never once did they say that they rejected any amounts or anything. They're just saying, hey, we just think that this award was fraud. And it wasn't. I talked to the National Arbitration Association, and I've got all their licenses up to date, and it's beautiful. Like, how could this not go slam dunk in their face? Well, for me.
Yeah, because all they want you to do is use the lawyer's arbitration service, because then two lawyers get together, they make a decision on what happens, and they make the decision that's in the best interest of the lawyers and not in the best interest of either client. And that's how they want this whole thing to go. And that's where we stand up and we say, no.
Right. Yeah. Because that's what I'm doing. I basically am telling them, hey, I'm not a child of the state. I'm a child of God. I'm a man, sui juris, a living soul. And I made this decision to stand up for myself, because these guys came after me when I was I forgot about the $19,000 that these people owed me. And all of a sudden, the collaboration with this lawyer to try and conspire to commit a crime to rob me.
Right.
When they lost. So I'm going after his bar, by the way. I'm gonna take his bar card holder. If everybody is watching, I'm done. I just about forgot about it again. I was ready to move on with everything else that's going on. And they just pissed me off to the point to where I watch out. That coiled snake is uncoiled right now, and I ain't gonna stop.